Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a very important update that YouTube will going to launch it on the 15th of on the 5th of on the 5th of September. Yes. So guys, I know that you guys will we can't wait to hear this important update that YouTube will release it on the 5th of September. Yes. So guys, I have been hearing a lot of news, a lot of creators, and they have made a lot of research on this important YouTube features that they were going to release on the 5th of September. And I've made a research on it, and I find out that it is true. Seriously, I can't wait to see this very important news. Yes, on the 5th of September, that's next month. So guys, the name of this program is YouTube bonus program. Yes. So guys, YouTube will going to release this program on the 5th of September. Yes, this program is for those people that have 500 subscribers. Yes, they will be eligible for this program, and with the ones that have 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours, they are the ones that they were going to be eligible for this program. Yeah, so try your best and get your subscribers to 500 and your watch hours to 3,000. Yeah, so that you'll be eligible for this program. Okay, let me explain about the program. The program says you have $300 for just allowing this feature called membership. You have $300 for just allowing this feature on your YouTube dashboard. So when YouTube release this update and release this feature on your YouTube dashboard, the only thing you need to do is to just click it and allow it. Then you will have your $300 bonus. So this goes for both small creator and bigger creator. What I mean is that those that have 500 and 4,000 and 3,000 watch hours, they are eligible for this, and with those that they have 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours, whether you are monetized or not. Is this not a great news? This is very great to all the creators around. I'm so happy to see this very important information. So in here, I used to share you guys new updates and new ways to grow your YouTube channel. So guys, what are you not going to try your possible best so that you will get your your 3,000 watch hours and your 5,000 your uh, 500 subscribers? Try your best so that you will get this. And again, when you allow this feature, anybody that join your membership, they will that person when that person join your membership, you're going to have $3. You understand? So you that's all about YouTube. I'm so happy to be a YouTuber. That's why I say, guys, always watch my videos. You won't miss anything. If you are watching my videos, I'm telling you, you will not miss anything. And again, about this feature, what I still hear about it is that when they release it, you can have $600 or $300. So anyone they bring it to your YouTube studio, just accept it, accept the program. When you accept it, you're going to have your $300 or $600. And again, let me tell you something. Imagine now you have about 10 people that they join your membership. That's about $30. Okay, now if you carry that $30, you add it to your to that $300, you have about $330 in a month. Seriously, I'm so happy about this great news. So guys, what you need to do, try your best and get up to 500 subscribers and 300 3,000 watch hours. Try your best so that you will get this feature. Yeah, and see, let me tell you something. Just try your possible best and grow your YouTube channel. There are a lot of things that you will gain from YouTube in case you don't know. Let me just tell you the real truth. So don't let anybody to deceive you that no, your YouTube doesn't pay. No. And about this program, some people are saying they are not sure, but me, I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm very, very sure about the program. So don't be lazy now. I've tell you, oh, don't say that I didn't tell you. Oh. So guys, try and possible best, try your possible. So I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.